Democritus was born in 460 BC. He worked in the fields of philosophy, mathematics, and science. He died in 370 BC. Democritus had an idea about atoms. His idea was atoms are indestructible. Also, atoms are the smallest piece of anything. If you were to break a wooden board, an atom would simply be the smallest piece of wood that you could make. And he is credited with the concept of, the atom. He's the first person to think of it.
Aristotle was born in 384 BC. He died in 322 BC. Aristotle was an ancient philosopher. He's known for his work in physics, literature, the arts, and politics. Aristotle's idea was everything can be placed into four main groups of elements. These groups are water, earth, air, and fire. John Dalton was born in 1766. He died in 1844. John Dalton was an English chemist, meteorologist, and physicist. His idea towards atoms was that all atoms were from pure substances.
J.J. Thomson was born in 1856. He died in 1940. His idea was all of the atom was positive except for the electrons, similar to a chocolate chip cookie or plum pudding if you're British. His role was he was the first one to find the electron. Rutherford was born in 1871. He died in 1937. His idea was there's a nucleus and the rest is just empty space. This was based on his experiment using gold foil.
Niels Bohr was born in 1885 and died in 1962. He is credited with creating the most up-to-date atomic model. His idea was that electrons were based on their orbital pattern. The atom is made up of protons, neutrons, and electrons. An element is a pure substance that cannot be broken down. Elements can also be combined to make compounds.
An atom is unstable when the numbers of neutrons and protons are not equal.
An atom is balanced when the number of protons and neutrons are equal.
Ions are atoms that have a total number of electrons that are not equal to the total number of protons.
Isotopes are the same element with the same number of protons but a different number of neutrons.
The sum of the number of protons and neutrons. Take the number of protons, which is given by the atomic number, and subtract the number of electrons. That number is the charge on the atom or ion.